Hello sparkle lovers and welcome to my channel. My name is Neta and on this channel I'm making diamond painting videos featuring mostly my own kits that you can find in my store and in my website and Etsy. You can find the links in the description below. Today it will be a short video. What I want to do, I have an idea for a new series of videos. Well, you will see the main idea, but to implement that I need to add 2 more whips on my current whip stash. I need to kit up 2 more, so I really suck at deciding which ones to choose. So I will spin the wheel and let it choose for me. Now, the 4 of those 7 kits are not released yet. They're going to be released at July 20th. So, if these fall, get picked by the wheel, you will not going to see, you will have glimpses from the kits, but you will not see the full image because I want to keep the suspense high for the time of the release. But let's keep rolling and we will see what the wheel will choose and we will talk a little about that idea. Okay, now for the first kit I need to kit up. It will be the Echoes of Spring. I was hoping for this kit to drop. Echoes of Spring, it's a kit that is not yet released, so you will have small glimpses of that. I have to tell you, it's very colorful, it's very beautiful, but it's not for everyone because it's very confetti heavy, but it is a beautiful kit. You will say now, it's your kids, what were you going to say, that they are not beautiful? Well, you have a right on that, but I don't know, I think this kit has something extra. Okay, and the other one, I hope I will not get the kit of butterflies because those 2 kits I'm going to kit up will do them in squares and I want to do the kitty in round. So, we have enchanted fungi grove. Now, what happens with this kit? I have made that before, but it was from another company, not the one I'm working with now, and it was on acrylic drills for one and didn't have any specials. It wasn't bad, it wasn't the best, so I'm quite excited to do the new version of it. So perfect, we have Echoes of Spring, which are not released yet, and the Enchanted Fungi Grove. Perfect. So let me tell you a few about this new series idea. Every week, every day, I will make small clips. I will make small clips of the Whip of the Day videos, and then I will combine them and I will post them once a week. I think I will post them every Monday. I'm not sure yet of the date, so stay tuned. So I will have 5 weeks going on, 5 whips going on, and the wheel is going to decide which one of the 5 I'm going, plus one special. I forgot to say that. So the wheel is going to decide which one I'm going to work on for that day. And when at the end of the day, the 7 days of the week, we will have the winner to see which kit was picked the most times to be worked on the week. So yay, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell button so you will not miss the videos of this series. Until the next time, bye and see you then.